afternoon, Service Department Front Desk. How may I direct your call?
Oh, hi. I thought I was being put through to the legal department. I sent in a document on the 5th of November, 184-page document.
Okay.
I'm just wondering whether they got it or not.
All right. Do you know what... let me ask you a question. What state are you calling from?
I'm from Lincoln, UK.
Oh, from UK? Okay.
Yeah.
And you said this is a legal matter?
I'll tell you. You're on the front desk, are you?
I am. Yeah, I just need to know where
right, it is a document. Have you ever heard of the Shroud of Turin with the burial cloth of Jesus?
Okay, so that's what it's
the most studied it's the most studied relic in the world in history, right? And it basically it went viral a few weeks ago because the Italian scientists used laser X-ray scattering and found out the shroud is 2,000 years old, which goes back to Jesus' burial time. Yeah. So basically, what I'm saying is, I've matched up the artist's impression of Jesus Christ of the Shroud of Turin, which is by Ray Downing, a 3D expert, and I've matched it up to my son Joshua's face. Right, my son Joshua means Jehovah's salvation. Jesus means Jehovah's salvation. The man in the shroud has been measured at 5'10". My son is 5'10". So who do you think I am, brother? I'm not messing about. I'm not lying. I've got the evidence that I'm your God Jehovah in the flesh, the Alpha and Omega. And the Bethel know this at Chelmsford because I rang them. The legal department couldn't get off the phone quick enough because they're so scared of what I'm about to do to Watchtower. I'm going to bring the Catholics, right? And also the Mormons against you. And then the world's media next year on the 5th of January.
So let me stop you right there. Since this is the front desk.
Oh, here we go again. Oh, just ignore what I've said. What have I just said to you, brother?
So sorry, what'd you say?
What have I just said to you? Who I am? Unless you want to compare your evidence that I'm not Jehovah against the 196 gigabytes of evidence uploaded to my Google Drive. And supernatural evidence on my YouTube channel, JEHOVAH'S, HACCAG. Go and have a look.
Listen, this is the front desk, so I can't help you at this time.
Oh, none of you can help me.
Trying to get
you're just like the Israelites when they didn't listen to Jehovah, aren't you? You ignore Jehovah.
I'll transfer you.
Transfer me, please.
Please hold. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, this is the service department.
Hello, brother. Well, I don't seem to be going round in circles here because I first went to the legal department, then I'm put through to the front desk, and I rang the legal department in Chelmsford, UK, the Bethel there, and I asked them if they got my 184-page document.
Brother, I'm in the middle of another call right now.
Here we go. You know I'm Jehovah, don't you? That's the problem, you Israelites who don't listen. Why don't you listen to Jehovah, what he's saying?